Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. Already part of this fam, I appreciate. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep my hair to put on my headband wigs. Very easy and the best way to make it look natural. So if you want to see that, stay tuned and let's jump right in.
It's Keny.
First things first, make sure your hair is braided down. I just put the headband wig to try it on and see how I like it. And then all you need is a good hair wax, an old toothbrush or a edge control brush, and a scarf, a satin scarf. So you can see me laying down my edges the way I want. So I always see people putting their headband wigs like right at the front of their hair, and it covers their hairline, and that really doesn't look pretty at all. So an alternative to make it look more natural and flow is to do your edges before putting on your headband wig. I am not the best at baby hair, but I think I found out what works for me. I just need to use an edge control brush and then brush it, okay? Swoop it backward, like you see. So what I do is I will first of all swoop most of the hair together, like you saw me do, and then I go back in and I lay down the mini little bitty hairs that I did on my forehead, and it just works. Now I'm going to take my satin scarf or any scarf you have, but satin will work better, and tie down the edges, tie it really tight, and I'm going to leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes. So after that, I will just open this and the hair is what? Laid, okay? So then now I can wear my headband wig. So I'm going to take this headband wig from Keny Hair and I'm going to start applying it on my hair, installing it, which is very easy. This is under 3 minutes. You just put it on. I put it exactly where I want it to be, and then I'm going to use the Velcro to just close it back there, secure it, put all of my braids inside the wig, make sure it's secured. And then you can see now, to cover the braids and make it look more natural, I'm just going to pull it to the front, cover where the braids start, and boom, that's it. This was pretty easy, and I did this under how many minutes? 5 minutes, and I'm good to go. This is the final look. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.